The SUNSUL 50W solar kit is designed with high-efficiency monocrystalline cells, ensuring an impressive energy conversion rate ideal for sustainable energy solutions. Its robust construction, featuring low iron tempered glass and a high-quality aluminum frame, makes it durable enough to withstand outdoor conditions for over 10 years. This versatile kit is suitable for a wide range of applications, from charging 12-volt batteries to powering RVs, boats, and even security cameras. The included charge controller enhances battery longevity with smart 4-stage PWM charging and provides additional safety features like protection against overcharging and short-circuiting. Installation is straightforward thanks to the pre-drilled holes on the back of the panel, accommodating easy mounting with various brackets. SUNSUL offers excellent after-sales support, ensuring each panel is thoroughly inspected before shipping and providing prompt assistance in case of any issues.